And today I'm just going to deliver you 3 real simple tips on how to get through any results day. Tip number 1, if you haven't gone outside today and got some exercise in, do it. I do it every day. It's called a 20-minute stress reliever. It keeps your stress levels low. If you're feeling stressed at the moment, go and exercise. Trust me, you're not going to be able to think about what's going to happen tomorrow. And don't forget, after the workout, you want to get your brain fuel in and you want to get your liquid thinking on board. Take note.
Okay, second tip. Second tip is make sure you put exams into context. They're not the most important thing you'll ever do in your life. All they are is a certain way of testing for a particular type of intelligence. I've met loads of people who have a different type of intelligence that isn't tested for in exams, and they've done amazingly well in their careers and later lives. The one question you could ask yourself on results day in order to get positive is, hey, what could I do to improve? And then you move forward.
And the third and final point, as I'm out walking the revision retrievers, is you got to celebrate the success. Whether you get good grade in your opinion or bad grades, again, in your opinion, you got to celebrate the journey that you've been on. You've learned a lot of good skills, organisation, time management. Yeah, some people may have learned it a bit more than others, but celebrate the progress you made over the last year and make improvements. Lay down a plan on how you're going to improve and always look for the positives. There you go.